Alright, YouTube, made it. Red Apple Fireworks. Picking some up early this year. Let's walk in. Right. Here we are inside. Came early. The March preseason sale. Cheap ass prices. You guys gotta get in here quick. Here, 200-gram cakes. Little kids right there. Here are some shells. Please stay out of the video. Thank you. I'm telling you, check out these prices. Fucking low ass prices. Rockets over here. Yeah. I don't even know what to get out of all how low the prices are. Small stuff. Just so you get an idea of how low these prices are. Look at 6 cakes. 35 bucks. More 500-gram cakes right here. Yep. Fighting Rooster. 60 a case of 4. 15 bucks each. I'm telling you guys, gotta get down here. This one, 85 bucks, 25 bucks each. Which one else? Curfew breaker, 60 bucks, 30 bucks each. The Roman candles and firecrackers. Firecrackers right here. 60 a case of 24, 3 bucks each. Roman candles, 3 bucks each, 72 a case. 100 bucks, supercharged candle.
Fireworks here?
Stop, get out the way. Sorry. But yeah, I'll go check out what else they have. Stay tuned. You guys should come down here if you guys get the chance. I'll be making a video of the stuff I get. So stay tuned. Out.